Let's do a step-by-step makeup tutorial. First is primer. Next is foundation. Next is cream blush. Next is concealer to highlight. Next, we are going to set the face with a compact powder. Next, we are going to set the cream contour with a compact powder. Next, we are going to set the cream blush with a powder blush. Next is eyes, and first we are using this brown shade for the crease. Next, we are using this dark brown for the outer crease. Then we'll blend it in. For the eyelid, we are using this pink shade. Next, I'm going to use this white shade to neutralize the pink shade a little bit. Blend the edges. Next is lips, and I'm lining my lips with this brown Davis pencil. For the lips, I'm using this NYX Cosmetics lip gloss. And this is the finished look.